Look at these really nice pants hangers that I received from Zober. They are in chrome and they also have rubber throughout as well as on the tip too, which is going to be better to not snag your clothing. And this is great for pants, of course, but also jeans, trousers, even dresses and skirts too. And look how nice, good quality this is. This is also very slim design. However, don't let the size fool you because it can hold up to 10 pounds. So it's very strong and durable too. And you can also get a variety of different colors to choose from as well as different quantities too. And let me show you how easy it is to use. It also measures approximately 6.75 inches in length by 14 inches across. And as you notice, it has a rounded tip right here where it goes higher, and that's so your pants won't slip off. And let me show you how easy it is to use. All you have to do is get your jeans or pants and slip it through just like this. Perfect. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And this can really slim down your closet, really making enough room for all your clothes to fit all nice and organized inside. And plus, it's just really stylish too. So this is how easy it is to put on, just like this. And check this out. Now I have my 3 pants on hangers. So nice, very durable. You'll definitely be very pleased with it. Let me show you a close-up of what the hanger looks like. This is a close-up of what the Zober hangers look like. They have chrome as well as a rubberized tip here, as well as throughout. And this is to protect your clothing from any snags. And also it has it raised at the tip right here, so your pants don't accidentally slip off. It'll stop right here. Very nice quality, and it also will hold up to 10 pounds. So if you're looking for a solution to hang up your clothing, but you still want it to look sleek and stylish, definitely recommend these Zober hangers. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.